Hello friends. Today I am so excited to share with you a perfect head and shoulder pattern. Today I am going to share with you head and shoulder pattern, how it is formed, what is the volume profile, how we have to determine the target of head and shoulder, by when it is likely to fulfill its promise if it triggers on the higher side, and what precaution or stop loss we have to take when we are taking head and shoulders trade. So be with me this till end. I'm going to show you lot of finer points regarding head and shoulder now. So let's begin. In front of us we have craftsman craftsman price action. Now here we can observe the price came down from here. It came down, started consolidation sometime in February, went down, again went up, and again there was a consolidation in the month of April. Now if we plot the consolidation pattern over it like curves, then we will see that three curves are formed. This 1, 2, and 3. A perfect head and shoulder bullish reversal pattern forms after the price has gone on a downtrend. First the shoulder will form, then the head will form, and next shoulder. Then we have to draw a neckline. Then we have to see the volume profile that I will show you in a short while. Let's first draw the neckline. So this is the neckline we have drawn. This is called neckline, which joins the head, shoulder. Now we have to look at the volume profile, which is very nicely appearing in this chart. When the shoulder number 1, the price is coming down, you will observe higher volume. Now pay attention, it is a very interesting thing. First shoulder it is coming down, the volumes are high. As compared to that, when the price is coming down at the head, the volumes are relatively lower. That means when the head was forming, the selling pressure had reduced. When it is forming the third curve, which is the second shoulder, the price is coming down, the volume is relatively lesser than the volumes of head. So successively, when the price is coming down, the volumes are reducing. That shows it has got a reduced selling pressure each time it is coming down. First positive indication. When it is going up on the shoulder 1, the volumes are okay. When it is going up on the head part, then the volumes are relatively higher. Third time, when shoulder 2, when it is going up, volumes are relatively higher. That means the buying is increasing for every step. Every time it is going up, the volume is increasing. Fantastic. So we have perfect head and shoulder. Once we have perfect head and shoulder, what should be the target? We have to take the neckline and the low of the head. We have to measure it. I have to measure it the other way around. So we take from the head bottom till the top, we got 785 points. So there is a chance for the successful head and shoulder, it might go till 785 points in coming days. when it is likely to reach the target of 785 points. Also, one more interesting thing, you will find how to verify whether what target you are taking is optimum enough, or is it having some relevance with the technical analysis, because it is a very interesting aspect. Now, as you can see, I have drawn this line here. This line is matching with the previous top of Craftsman, that is the resistance level from where it came down. So if it is taking a turn around with the head and shoulder, again it is likely to reach till its resistance level. If our target and resistance is matching, that is also one more confirmation that what we are looking at has got a high significance. Now, when it is likely to reach the target, it is likely to reach the target. Arrow कहाँ है? Okay, here is the arrow. So from here, it is likely to reach to the target by 4th of June. Now, we have done this. Now, the most important part. What should be the stop loss in head and shoulder? Because without stop loss, we should not be taking any trade. So the stop loss for this trade is the low of this second shoulder. So we have to draw a horizontal line here. So this is, I'll just adjust it to the low. The low is here. So after entry, first, if it comes down, this is our stop. We can as well use the trailing stop by measuring the low of the shoulder till the breakout point which has occurred here. So we can trail by 390 points. As it goes up, we can trail. As far as more optimum way of trailing any trade, a short-term trade, the best way to trail is a very clear-cut guidelines or lines provided by Ichimoku. So if you understand Ichimoku, which I cover in detail in my masterclass, those who understand Ichimoku, they will know how to trail the trade using Ichimoku lines. It's a very optimum indicator, very clear cut trailing stop it will give. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. For more such videos, you can subscribe to my channel, switch on the alert, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, those who are interested to learn about stock market. With that, thank you so much for watching today's video. Soon I will come up with new videos as and when we get these patterns on the stocks, various stocks. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks. See you.